What is meditation? Meditation is the power which enables us to resist all this. Nature may call us, look, there is a beautiful thing. I do not look. Now she says, there is a beautiful smell. Smell it. I say to my nose, do not smell it. And the nose doesn't. Eyes do not see. Nature does such an awful thing, kills one of my children, and says, now, rascal, sit down and weep. Go to the depths. I say, I don't have to. I jump up. I must be free. Try it sometimes in meditation for a moment. You can change this nature. Now, if you had that power in yourself, would not that be heaven, freedom? That is the power of meditation. How is it to be attained? In a dozen different ways. Each temperament has its own way, but this is the general principle. Get hold of the mind. The mind is like a lake, and every stone that drops into it raises waves. These waves do not let us see what we are. The full moon is reflected in the water of the lake, but the surface is so disturbed that we do not see the reflection clearly. Let it be calm. Do not let nature raise the wave. Keep quiet. And then after a little while she will give you up. Then we know what we are. God is there already. But the mind is so agitated, always running after the senses. You close the senses and yet you whirl and whirl about. Just this moment I think I am all right and I will meditate upon God. And then my mind goes to London in 1 minute. And if I pull it away from there, it goes to New York to think about the things I have done there in the past. These waves are to be stopped by the power of meditation. Environment for meditation. Those of you who can afford it will do better to have a room for this practice alone. Do not sleep in that room. It must be kept holy. You must not enter the room until you have bathed and are perfectly clean in body and mind. Place flowers in that room always. They are the best surroundings for a yogi. Also pictures that are pleasing. Burn incense morning and evening. Have no quarreling, nor anger, nor unholy thought in that room. Only allow those persons to enter it who are of the same thought as you. Then gradually there will be an atmosphere of holiness in the room, so that when you are miserable, sorrowful, doubtful, or your mind is disturbed, the very fact of entering that room will make you calm. This was the idea of the temple and the church, and in some temples and churches, you will find it even now. But in the majority of them the very idea has been lost. The idea is that by keeping holy vibrations there the place becomes and remains illumined. Those who cannot afford to have a room set apart can practice anywhere they like. Time for meditation. You must practice at least twice every day, and the best times are towards the morning and the evening. When night passes into day, and day into night, a state of relative calmness ensues. The early morning and the early evening are the two periods of calmness. Your body will have a like tendency to become calm at those times. We should take advantage of that natural condition and begin then to practice. Make it a rule not to eat until you have practiced. If you do this, the sheer force of hunger will break your laziness. In India they teach children never to eat until they have practiced or worshipped, and it becomes natural to them after a time. A boy will not feel hungry until he has bathed and practiced. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your family members so they can also know about meditation. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will meet again in my next upcoming videos. Till then, bye.